Hi guys, I'm Ram Agarwal. You are watching my channel 52 Pixels. Let's get started. Hi guys, in this tutorial we are going to see how to create a glitch effect using Photoshop. To get started, this is what we are going to make, and this is the image that we are going to work with today. So before getting started, what we are going to do is just remove this lock. So I'll just double tap over here and I'll change the name to Cyan. So as you can see in this image over here, it comprises of two different colors just like an anaglyph. So it's composed of cyan and red, two colors. Same way over here with the text, it's it comprises of red color and a cyan color. So we are going to use the same thing. We are going to create an anaglyph effect, but then we are going to work with the anaglyph effect so that it looks like a glitch effect and it looks like a glitched up image. Now to duplicate this layer, just press Ctrl plus J, and as you can see it has got duplicated. I'll just rename this as red because I need a layer for cyan, I need a layer for red. Now I'll type in the text. I'll just type calm. So I've typed in the text. I'll just increase the size somewhat just like this. I can reduce it as well, but I think this would go. Like, this is amazing. Let's just work with this one. Now again, same thing, I'll just rename this layer as cyan and duplicate this one. Again press Ctrl plus J to duplicate, and I'll rename this one as calm red. Once done, press enter. So we've got all the 4 files that we need. Now using each layer, so suppose I want to work with the cyan layer, I'll just go to the cyan layer, go to FX icon over here and tap on blending options. So once you go to blending options, make sure that you are working with cyan color. So to create this image in a cyan color, just turn off the red color so you get the cyan color, because green and blue are the component colors. When they get mixed together, it creates a cyan color. So just click on OK and we have a cyan layer. It won't be shown right now, but I'll show you how to extract that particular color. Same way, go to red and again go to blending options, and this time turn off green and blue so that we have red color. Again click on OK. Still you won't be able to see any differences, so let's move on to other. So now let's work with the text. Go to calm cyan, again go to FX blending options, and again just turn off red color for getting green and blue in combination as cyan, and again the same thing with red, turn off green and blue so that you get red. Click on OK. Now what we have to do is just using the arrow keys, just move the text little bit towards the left or right depending on what you want, and as you can see we've got the red and the cyan color revealed in the image just the way I wanted. Same way with this one, so I'll click on this image and I'll just take it towards the left a little, so we are getting the cyan and the red color. Same way with cyan, I'll just move it towards the right a little. So now we've got the frame that we want to work with. So it has the cyan color, it has the red color, it has already got the anaglyph effect. So anaglyph effect is basically like the 3D glass effect where you have the red and blue color in the lenses, so somewhat like that. So now we've got the anaglyph effect. Now using the same thing, what we are going to do is just use the smudge tool. So yours must be looking like this, blur tool. So just long tap on that and go to smudge tool, and make sure you are on any layer of these. So I'm going to work with cyan, so just be on cyan and just make a little blob and just drag it out. So as you can see, it is getting dragged out just like a glitch effect. Same way over here, just drag it out a little bit. Just a little over here. So as you can see, we've created this glitch effect where some parts of the image are irregular and they are like glitchy, and they just don't be like they are not perfect, right? So now what we are going to do is one other trick, that is just go to filter, and under filter we have this option called as liquify. So we are just going to liquify certain points of the image. So currently we cannot see the other colors like the red one and the cyan one. It's because we are going to work with this particular layer. It's not combined. If you want to combine, you have to just tap on this one which says show backdrop. So once you tap on it, you get all the backdrop, but you won't be able to work with it. So just uncheck this one so that we get to work with this one. Now go to forward warp tool and just drag it out a little bit from certain areas, somewhat just like this. So as you can see, I'm just dragged some parts from the image to give them the glitch effect, just like this. And once done, just click on OK and your effects are going to be applied. So as you can see, the effects are applied quite well. Now we are going to work with text. So again, go to calm cyan, go to filter, liquify. It is going to ask you to rasterize or convert this image to a smart object. So we will always prefer converting everything to a smart object. So just convert to smart object. Now again, okay, so it has opened up the Liquify tab. Again, using the forward warp tool, we can just use a little warping with this text. Somewhat just like this. And we can also use this bloat tool to bloat the image in certain points. So I can just bloat this point like this a little bit, a little over here, some part over here. So as you can see, this image, the text has gotten bloated. Now I can just click on OK and the changes are going to get saved. But as you can see, we've lost the red color from the image. So to do that, again go to effects, go to blending options, and this was the cyan layer. So again, just turn off the red color, green and blue make cyan, click on OK. And as you can see, we've got the effect over there as well. So we've got the glitch effect. Now just to do some additions, what we are going to do is just create a new layer at the top, and on this layer we are just going to use the brushes. So go to brush, and I'm using this brush which is called as a special effects brush, which you can find over here as well. So under brushes, you have this option called as special effects brush. It is pre-installed in Photoshop. So use this one and just select one color. So just go to any foreground color, which is black currently, and tap over here to select this color, click on OK, and just paint a little region of image with the brush. Now same way we are going to do the same thing with blue one. So again, change the color, again go to brush, change the color to blue color, click on OK, and plot some dots over here as well. So overall we've got the brush. Now what we are going to do is just that, using this layer one where we have used all these brushes, go to filter, and under filter we have the option called as blur. Under blur, go to Gaussian blur. As you can see, it has blurred out this certain dots just as we needed. We can increase or reduce the intensity of the filter depending upon our requirement. I'll make it 10, and once done, just click on OK. So basically this is like, it is looking like the splashes of the water or the effect are just nearing the camera and they are getting blurred out, whereas this image has this little glitch in the image. So it's just a fun effect that you can use for making posters or flyers or some design, web design, anything. So you can just use this particular filter and get your work done. So well, that's it for today guys. If you found the video to be helpful, please like the video, and in case of any queries or suggestions, please feel free to reach out to me through the comments. So with that being said, that's me, Ram Agarwal, signing off for the day. See you in the next one.